Hello everyone, welcome back to the Home Handbook, your go-to channel for all things home-related. With the increasing strength and frequency of storms and typhoons, it's more important than ever to be prepared. According to recent data, the USA has seen a notable uptick in severe weather events, with stronger and more unpredictable storms becoming the new norm. In 2023, there were 22 named storms, including 7 hurricanes, 3 of which were major hurricanes. This year, 2024, has already surpassed those numbers with 24 named storms, including 8 hurricanes, 4 of which reached major hurricane status. Today, we're going to cover the essential items you should have in your home to stay safe and ready during these extreme weather conditions. Let's dive in. First and foremost, let's talk about the basics of an emergency preparedness kit. Having the right supplies can make all the difference when a storm hits. One excellent option is the Ready America 72-Hour Deluxe Emergency Kit. This comprehensive kit includes essentials like water, non-perishable food, a 33-piece first aid kit, flashlights, batteries, and a multi-tool. Designed to support 2 people for 3 days, it also features hygiene items, dust masks, survival blankets, and ponchos. The kit ensures you have the basic necessities to survive if you're cut off from supplies. Tailor your kit to include personal items like medications, important documents, and pet supplies. This customization can be crucial in an emergency situation. Power outages are common during storms, so having reliable sources of power and light is essential. One highly recommended option is the Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment Generator. It offers 3,700 peak watts and 3,000 rated watts, which is strong enough to run all your essentials like refrigerators, medical devices, and communication tools. It features a telescoping handle, is gas-powered, and weighs only 70.5 lbs. Plus, it's extremely quiet and fuel-efficient, with up to 8 hours of run time on a 1.3-gallon gas tank. This generator also includes a 520R120V duplex household outlet, an RV-ready L530R 30-amp outlet, and 2 USB outlets, making it a versatile choice for both home and travel use. Next, keeping your devices charged is crucial for communication and accessing emergency information. The BigBlue 3 USB ports 28-watt solar charger is an excellent choice. It features 3 USB-A ports with smart charging technology, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. With a high solar conversion rate of up to 25.4%, it's perfect for keeping your phones and small electronics powered. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for camping or emergency kits, ensuring you stay connected even when the grid is down. LED lanterns provide a safer and more reliable light source compared to candles. The Touchlight LED rechargeable lantern is a fantastic option. It offers up to 200 hours of light and can also charge cell phones and cameras, making it incredibly useful during power outages. Its long-lasting battery and included phone charger ensure you have both light and communication capabilities when you need them most. Plus, it comes with a free 2-year warranty, adding peace of mind to your purchase. Ensuring your safety and having a plan for shelter is critical during severe storms. Storm shutters protect your windows from flying debris and high winds, reducing the risk of injury and damage to your home. The Polaris Homeside raised panel vinyl shutters are an excellent choice. These decorative shutters fit window heights of 58 to 60 inches and come in pairs. They include 2 mounting hardware options, plastic spikes or metal screws with color-matching caps. Made from injection-molded, fade-resistant vinyl, they offer long-lasting curb appeal and can be installed on almost any surface. These shutters not only provide protection but also add an elegant, refined look to your home. Keeping important documents, electronics, and other valuables dry is crucial during heavy rain and flooding. The Iris USA Weather Pro 19-quart storage bins with lids are perfect for this. These BPA-free plastic bins feature a weatherproof gasket seal that locks out moisture and dust, ensuring your belongings stay safe and fresh. The tight buckle-up latches provide a secure fit, and their stackable design makes them easy to store and transport. Made in the USA, these durable bins are ideal for storing documents, clothes, and other essentials. Staying informed and being able to communicate during a storm can be life-saving. The Midland WR120 billion NOAA Emergency Weather Alert Radio is an essential tool for this. It features NOAA Weather Scan and Alert, which automatically notifies you of over 60 kinds of weather hazards and emergencies, such as tornadoes, hurricanes, and floods. The specific area message encoding SAME allows you to program alerts for up to 25 different counties, ensuring you receive notifications relevant to your location. With selectable alert tones, a 90 decibel siren, voice alert, and flashing LED warning systems, this radio keeps you informed and safe. It also includes a built-in clock with alarm and snooze functions, and it uses 3 AA batteries for emergency power backup. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference when severe weather strikes. We've compiled a list of all the products mentioned in the video in the description box below to make it easier for you to locate them. Thanks for watching the Home Handbook. For more tips on making your house feel like your home, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.